So it's Thursday, December the 19th, 2024, and it is about 2:15 in the afternoon. We have got another box. Got me special hat on.
Hi, George.
Hi, Christina. So yeah, Emily and I are on our way up Moon Hill, and there's Moon Hill. We've made it up here. That's where the sun is at 2:15 in the afternoon. Even as I was walking here, I was thinking to myself that somebody out there was thinking of me and her enough to go and get all this stuff and spend their money and then go to a post office or however you get it done and then spend even more money to get it shipped here, just so that I can have an exciting reaction to finding all this and drinking it and reviewing it. And I always wonder, why do you do this for me? But being serious, thank you so much.
Thank you.
I still just can't get my head round it. It's like I never take it for granted. And I really genuinely thought, we were talking last year about the final box, I genuinely thought it was, and it turns out this is box number 16, and it was exactly 1 year ago today that we opened box number 11.
Hi, Christina.
Hi, Christina. Emily was asking me on the way up here, what do you think's in there, or what do you hope's in there? And I was saying, I really don't know. There's no clue or hint that you even were sending this. Obviously Monsters, Mountain Dews, Pepsis, Dr. Peppers, G Fuels, Bangs, that sort of thing. I bet the box contains none of that. Whatever's in there, even if it's ginger beer, it will be greatly appreciated. So we get on with it. It is bloody cold, isn't it?
Yes.
I really do appreciate. I am really excited because I wasn't expecting this. It's like
Oh.
the good news is I don't have a diabetes, so carry on sending them.
There's a card.
A card. If you don't mind, I'll open that at the end. So thank you very much. We didn't send you one, by the way.
What is this?
Well, whatever it is, it don't sound like it's for me. Glow in the dark under ultraviolet light. Let's paint your face.
Oh my god.
Oh dear God.
And what's this? It says my name.
Oh, Emily's got one. We'll make use of that. Where the fuck that is?
Emily, in case you want to use a mirror for
the face paints during the unboxing.
And it's a mirror.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Is that a mirror? I'm getting ready to run off in case there's like a brand new monster or something. Yeah, there you go. You can see. Oh, you can see the camera. Now you're seeing what we're seeing.
Behind.
Oh my God. I think it would be appropriate to do it for the video.
Yeah.
All right, go and peel it off.
Does it look good?
There you go, bear.
Oh my.
So now, I was talking about stopping the camera to take a picture so she could see it, and I forgot we got a mirror.
Okay.
He always adds something to the drama, doesn't he? That one.
Oh, it looks great. Great. You look great.
Whatever you're seeing, I can't see it. It's like I just got dropped into a toxic waste barrel.
It's great.
Yeah? Okay, now George.
Oh, for Billy.
For Billy?
Yeah.
What's your time on him for? Chili cheese fries. Thank you. I'm sure Billy will be very happy with that.
Thank you, George.
For me.
Oh, for God's sake! Is there actually any point in me being out?
Oh my god.
What have you got?
I got a monster. What? An ultra vast guava.
What the fuck is this?
Mine. Wow. Thank you, George. Oh my god. And it's got a pink lid to match my face. Yep, I had that.
Now, I don't want to start making any threats at this point. I haven't had that. I tell you what, is this for me?
Yeah.
If I get through the rest of this video and there isn't one of those with my name on it, then you will not ever send me another box again. I can't believe he has done that.
What have you got?
Thanks, George! Oh, wow!
Cheers,
Oh, wow! What the hell is this? An Ultra Vice Guava?
I've never seen this before.
No! Never seen this before.
Wow.
Oh, I said, didn't I? I bet I'd love a new monster, but I doubt we'd get one.
Have you ever seen that before?
No, never.
Yeah.
Whatever else is in there, it ain't going to top that. So you've wasted your time.
Hi, Christina.
Hi, Christina. A monster guava. Oh, thank you so much.
Your next drinks. We're wrapped up together, so I'm going to give them to you.
All right, okay, so what have we got?
I just
Oh, black cherry. Steady energy from black and green tea. Oh, okay, I'm losing interest now. Black cherry and strawberry banana. What?
Yum.
Fucking strawberry banana? Huh? A black cherry. Oh, wow. It's plant-based. That's your sick way of giving me my favourite flavour with the worst way of drinking it. Thank you.
Yeah, I think I'll have this space.
What is that? Oh, shit. I want that one.
It's yours.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, I've heard about this, but I've never been able to find one. Oh, wow. This is brilliant. Oh, brilliant. Yes. The Peaches and Cream Monster Reserve. That'll be monster number 60. Yes.
Yeah, thanks, George. I'll have this one.
I'm kind of hoping you've got one, and at the same time, I hope you haven't, because if it's in there, it's one less that I could have had.
Wow.
You could have just stopped there,
Yeah, I'll take the rest.
but keep going.
Oh.
Is it mine? Oh wow! I've never seen this. I've never heard of this.
What is it?
A Prime Dream Pop.
I thought it was
So
the
this-
orange one.
No, this is the energy version. Never ever. I've not seen this anywhere online, or I've never heard of it. Oh, this is brilliant.
Oh.
Ah!
Have you had those before? I think
Yes.
you have, yeah. Have you had it before?
Yeah.
Oh, I meant the brand.
I have had this. I bought this from American Fizz, I think. I might donate that to Emily.
Thanks, George.
Yes, I have had this before, so thank you very much. I'm not talking to a tree, by the way.
That's alright.
I am really. You can't see this, George, but the camera is actually up against a tree right now. So, there's a hedgehog.
I thought that was a hedgehog.
Yeah, we found a hedgehog.
Oh, it's so cute.
It's got legs and everything. I can't believe I've got those monsters.
These are wrapped up together.
What the hell are these? Coffee, straight away. French toast, cold brew latte, and cinnamon bun flavoured cold brew latte. What the hell? I tell you what, that is the epitome of randomness. That's really weird. I like that. That's better. It's a really intriguing flavour, isn't it? I'll do those last. Oh wow, these rock stars! What have we got here? Lemon and lime and orange and pineapple. This is something really, really good. You've really put a lot of thought into this for a change.
Wow.
What'd you call me? Oh, look like.
Ooh!
For Emily.
Yay.
I really hope you get that peaches and cream.
I'm not going to look at it, I'm just going to open it.
I really hope you get the monster one.
Yeah.
Come on. Come on, George. Come on, George. I don't mean you, come on, George. I mean, I'm ashamed of myself.
I got. Ow! I got it!
Yes!
Thank you, George.
Oh, wow.
Hi, Christina.
Hi, Christina. You need to get a dog.
A dog?
I don't know why I said that.
Wow. This sounds horrible. But I'm grateful. Oh.
LMNT. Oh, that's a brand. How? Pronounced. Pronounced. That says pronounced. does pronounced mean?
Send the box back.
Oh. These are quite popular right now in the States. Quite popular. So what are they? Are they energy drinks?
I don't know.
Like I'm asking her. They look good, don't they?
Black cherry.
Black cherry lime.
Wow.
Stay salty. And
Grapefruit
grapefruit salt.
Oh God.
They do look very good. They look very intriguing. So thank you for that.
For Mum.
In hopes that you might join in the reviews.
Oh, I think they're the coffee.
Are they the coffee ones? Don't open them.
Oh, okay. I will.
Yeah, they look like them, don't they? Hang on. What are they? French toast and yes, they are. Maybe I'll do that at home. I'll make sure she gets them. Thank you for thinking of Sarah as well. Thank you.
I think that's it.
What, is that it?
Yeah, that's it.
I could I'd like to do them cold, but I don't think I can wait.
I'm gonna drink them at the same time. Awesome.
Ah.
I move my hand. I go.
Oh no, no.
Oh no.
Stupid, wasn't it? And welcome to another monster review. My good friend George just sent this to me along with a lot of other drinks. It's that time of the afternoon now where the sun's getting lowish in the sky and it gets that reflection on the trees. I just think that's really lovely. Emmy's now going to open the card.
It says, Merry Christmas to UK Heath from the US Dave. Love, George and Christina.
Aww.
Aww.
Thank you, George.
Thanks, George and Christina.
Oh, and Christina, yeah. It's easy for me to say thank you. It's just 2 words and you listen to it and go, hey! Christina, feed the dog!
Hi, Christina.
Tell her to get down off the sofa. And no, he ain't sleeping between us.
Do they even have a dog?
No. But thank you doesn't quite go far enough to expressing how grateful I am for all that you do, for finding them and just the selection as well. It's the variety and the randomness and the brilliantness of it. So, all right. So I know you can't take a face like this seriously right now, but I do seriously, in all sincerity, mean it. Thank you ever so much for this. This was a nice surprise, wasn't expecting it. And we hope you have a really happy Musmus.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.